Well, hey there, folks. This here's my female Mohave Desert Tortoise, and she is enjoying some corn on the cob, as you can see. Who would have thought? I just happened to toss a piece down one day to see what they would do, and I came back out an hour later, and all the corn was gone. It looked like a human had ate it with their teeth, and just the cob was left. Well, this here's the female. She's going to town. The male, he's in his... Oh, here he comes right now. There he is. He must have heard me. His ears must have been ringing. He's going to come out and enjoy some of that corn on the cob as well. Yep, that's the male right there. That's Aries. And this right here is the female. Her name is Xena. If you guys remember the TV show from the 90s, Xena Warrior Princess. How you doing, bud? They've already ate a whole bunch of mulberry leaves today. They ate some broccoli. I gave them some collard greens. And they've, well, she's still hungry. She wants some corn on the cob. I think he's going to make his way around there. He's like, what you got over there? All right, folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing her eat the corn on the cob there. I think it's pretty cool. Look at how much she's eating there. That was just a full corn on the cob there just a little bit ago. Oh, here he comes. I wonder if he sees the corn. There he goes. He says, hey, let me have some.